Guys, this is our totally certified number 1. This was from Tuesday night. Auctions ending Tuesday night. That was supposed to go yesterday afternoon. Wednesday afternoon. Totally certified, guys. So this is the one from yesterday afternoon. Which one should we do? Left, middle, or right? Left, middle, right. Any thoughts? Left, middle, or right? Say otherwise, as usual, we always pick the one closest to us. We'll do that. We'll go with the one closest to us. And then here in a minute we can pick out which one we want to do from those two. Alright. Alright guys, good luck. Reminder, this is the stuff from Tuesday night that should have gone yesterday afternoon. Good luck guys. Certified 4 packs, a box. Good luck, guys. Let's get those around here. First, you've got a blue Markel Brown, blue Brooklyn Nets. That one to 149. Then you've got a die-cut jersey card, die-cut rookie jersey. Number 299, Shabazz Napier. Miami Heat to 99. 3 base behind it. Alright, let's see. These are all backwards. Filler card. Got a red Andre Drummond. Detroit Pistons. That one number 279. Got a present potential auto for the Nets. Marquise Teague. Brooklyn Nets. Marquise Teague. Present potential. That one is number 299. Number 299. Your base. Let's see. First one, you've got a clear cloth rookie jersey, $2.99. Orlando Magic, Alfred Payton, Orlando Magic, $2.99. Clear cloth rookie jersey. Then we've got a Great American Heroes, Isaiah Thomas. It inserts that one to $2.99. You've got a Kevin Garnett. Brooklyn Nets. That one is number 210. Brooklyn Nets, Kevin Garnett. Numbered to 10. Number to 10, Kevin Garnett. 2 base. Last pack, box 1. Got a Future Star auto. Phoenix Suns, number 299, Miles Plumlee. Then you've got number 135, a red die cut, Sixers, Allen Iverson. Number 135 for the Sixers. 3 base behind it. Box number 2. Got 2 reds back to back. Also got a veteran auto For the New York Knicks, number 225, Allen Houston. Allen Houston to 25 for the Knicks. Back-to-back reds, you got Channing Frye for the Magic. That one to 279. Then you got Noah Vonleh for the Hornets. That is a rookie red to 279. 2 base behind it. Got a clear cloth to 299. For the Lakers, Steve Nash. Clear cloth, 272.99. Steve Nash for the Lakers. 4 base. Got a jersey card. Base jersey 249, and for the Hawks, Paul Millsap. Paul Millsap. Got a rookie, Jabari Parker for the Bucks. Then you got a die cut of Russell Westbrook, Oklahoma City Thunder. That one to 25. Die cut Russell Westbrook to 25. Solid hit for the Thunder. Nice pack, box 2. Got another clear cloth to 199. Veteran Kyle Lowry, Toronto Raptors. Kyle Lowry. Got a Memphis Grizzlies of Mike Conley. That one is the 149. 3 base behind it. Box number 3. Then after this, we will do the totally certified basketball from last night, which was Wednesday night. So we'll do that one right after this. You've got a certified competitor auto. This is an on-card auto as opposed to some of the sticker ones. On-card for the Minnesota Timberwolves to 49 at Christian Laettner. Christian Laettner, Minnesota Timberwolves, on-card auto. Then you've got a red, Denver Nuggets, JaVale McGee. To 279, 3 base. Find it. Clear cloth, jersey 299. Cleveland Cavaliers, Kyrie Irving, 299. Kyrie Irving. Then you've got a rookie red to 135, Joel Embiid. 76ers, Joel Embiid. 3 base. Pack number 3, box 3. Got a Epics. Dual jerseys. Epics dual jerseys 149. DeMar DeRozan, Toronto Raptors. DeMar DeRozan. You've got Nikolai Meredith, Chicago Bulls. Rookie to 149. Raptors, Jonas Valanciunas. Parallel to 49. Base fine. Attack box 3. Another clear cloth, $2.99. Los Angeles Clippers of DeAndre Jordan. Clippers, DeAndre Jordan, $2.99. 4 base. Box number 4. Let's keep going. Box number 4. Got a base jersey, 249. Got Celtics, Rajon Rondo, 249. Rajon Rondo. Got a red die cut, Brandon Knight for the Bucks. That one to 135. 3 base. Got a Epics dual jersey. Epics dual jersey, 149. Heat, Dwayne Wade. Dwayne Wade, Miami Heat. And you've got a rookie red, James Young, Boston Celtics. That's to 279. Rookie Nick Johnson for the Milwaukee Bucks. Die cut to 74. 2 base behind it. Got a rookie two-toned patch card, or a two-colored patch. This one at 249, Elfrid Payton, Orlando Magic. Elfrid Payton, Orlando Magic. Then you've got a certified excellence, John Wall, Washington Wizards. That one to 299, 3 base behind it. That's pack box 4. Got a auto from last year's rookie class. Last year's number 1 overall pick to 49, Anthony Bennett, going to the Timberwolves. Anthony Bennett, Minnesota Timberwolves. And you've got a red Orlando Magic, Anthony Hardaway, number to 279, 3 base with another Jabari Parker. Box 5. Got a die cut jersey card, $2.99, I believe. Die cut jersey, 99. The Bulls, Scottie Pippen to 99. Scottie Pippen. Got a great American hero, Kobe Bryant for the Lakers. 3 base. Got number 2, $2.99, a clear cloth for the Rockets. James Harden. James Harden for the Rockets. We got back-to-back die cuts. First, DeMar DeRozan, Toronto Raptors to 135. Then you got a die cut number 210. I believe is what it was. Die cut number 10 for the Memphis Grizzlies, Tayshaun Prince. Tayshaun Prince, number 210. 2 base behind it. Got a future star for the Miami Heat. Future star, Miami Heat to 25, Justin Hamilton. Justin Hamilton. Back-to-back Reds, Tyler Ennis, Phoenix Suns rookie to 279. Pistons, Josh Smith to 279. Last pack. Got a future star. Chicago Bulls to 99, Tony Snell. Tony Snell. 4 base. Finish him. Oh, let's see. Finishing those at Tuesday nights into Wednesday afternoons at Certified Basketball.